It's a nightmare when it's the hottest part of the summer and you're dealing with your AC compressor not turning on. Your home starts heating up and it seems that nothing can stop the sweating. You need your AC unit fixed fast. Hi, I'm Jimmy from Fire and Ice, and as a residential service technician, I have helped thousands of Central Ohio homeowners get the most out of their HVAC system. At Fire and Ice, we believe in giving our customers as much information as they need. In this video, we're going to go over why your AC compressor isn't turning on. And if you find today's content helpful, subscribe to our channel for weekly educational content. The compressor in your AC system works in a similar way to your heart. It's the pump that drives a liquid known as refrigerant through your air conditioner. The AC compressor takes that refrigerant, compresses it, and then pumps it to the indoor unit. Once there, the refrigerant absorbs the warmth that the house's return air vents have pulled in, and the now cooled air is recirculated. The refrigerant then passes back outside of the condensing unit, and it expels that unwanted heat outdoors, sort of how your body sweats when you're hot. AC compressors should last 10 to 15 years, but only if the air conditioner is regularly maintained. The compressor works hard and therefore it deals with the normal amount of wear and tear, but it must work much harder when the air conditioning isn't well maintained. That increases the chances of you ending up with a failed compressor over time. There are several ways you can tell if your compressor isn't working. The first and most obvious is that it's silent. When it's running, you'll hear a mechanical pumping sound. The condenser fan being stopped is also a sure sign of some type of failure. The next sign your compressor isn't working right is that the circuit breaker keeps tripping. This could also be a sign of some larger electrical issues. Another warning sign is that room temperature air is coming from your vents. Before we move on, if you're enjoying this video so far, please like it and leave a comment. We'd love to hear what you have to say and answer any questions you might have. And did you know we have even more resources on our website? Click on the link here to visit the Learning Center for more information. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great content. There are many reasons why your AC compressor might stop working. Your compressor could be shutting down as a safety precaution. If your system detects a major issue with the compressor or the condensing coil, your filter could be so dirty that it's inhibiting the evaporator coil from working correctly. And speaking of coils, the condenser coil can become so dirty that it loses its ability to radiate heat away from the unit. Your refrigerant levels not being right can also cause the compressor to shut down. And finally, there could be electrical problems with your unit, or you could have had a capacitor that's failed. No matter the reason, we recommend you call a professional to handle any repairs. Some elements of your AC system can be incredibly dangerous to service if you don't know what you're doing. Annual maintenance can catch a lot of these issues before they become serious. Once your compressor fails, repairs can range from $3,000 upwards, which is why we recommend having your HVAC system serviced twice a year, once for the heating season, once for the cooling. We also recommend that any major maintenance be performed by a licensed professional. This protects you and preserves your HVAC system's warranty. I hope by now you have a better understanding of why your AC compressor may not be functioning properly. If you'd like more information on HVAC systems, click the link in the description below. If you found this video helpful, feel free to give us a like and be sure to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to making your day better.